My name is Suzanne Marinelli. I feel like I have perhaps the best gig in all of the biennial because one of my assignments has been to work with this extraordinary piece of art done by Chenta Laury. What she has been able to take from concept into reality, the laciness and the sturdiness all at the same time, the softness and the hardness, the darkness and the light are so beautifully integrated into this piece. I've really come to see this as a pu'uhonua, a true place of refuge that people can come and discover ways that they can interact with the artwork to solve whatever their own issues may be. The fact that there are 233 stones here, one for every day that Queen Liliuokalani was imprisoned across the street, is the underlying message that just has to be told to people. And I've been able to help people understand that in moving these stones to release their own burdens, they are also helping to bring back the light for our host culture. I've loved every minute of the 2 months that I have been able to do this, and I will miss it terribly. And starting tomorrow, I'm going to be busy looking forward to 2 years from now.